What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and I am back with another video without my wig on. But wait, we're going to put our glueless wig on today. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. And let's just get into it. Let's put this wig on. I have a stylish wig here, and this is from our Raw collection that I will be adding new wigs to every single week. We're gonna put this baby on. So the lace is still cut on here. This is a 5x5 closure. If you're interested in a wig like this, then you can check out my website down below, stylishstylesbytee.com, as well as check out my Instagram, stylishstylesbytee. All right, so we always start with some braids going back. Fresh braids are preferred. However, these are some very old braids, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this. So braids back flat. You always want to start with a flat foundation in order to get the flattest and most natural look. Next would be taking your non-slip wig grip. Yes, I use this when I wear any kind of wig, a frontal wig, closure wig, it doesn't matter. This just gives my wig a more secure fit, and it does not allow it to slide without any glue. So, and I have a lot of these because I tend to lose them. I have one downstairs, one upstairs. Yeah, so if you need a non-slip wig grip, you can also get that from my website. All right, so we're just gonna put the lace in the middle because we're doing a middle part with my wig. Now, if I was doing a side part, then I would definitely put my lace on whatever side. It has a Velcro in the back. You just Velcro it, make sure it's behind your ears and it's comfortably fitted. And if your lace is a little bit light, a nice little tip is just take your makeup brush and just dab it to make it look the color of your skin, which I've already done. So our lace is blending perfect. Now we're going to just take our stylish wig and let's put this over here. And this is what the inside of this wig look like. It has a comb in the back, and like I said, this is a 5x5 closure, and it's made to fit my head. So we're gonna put this thing on first because I want to see the fit. I want to show you the fit first, and then we're gonna cut the lace. Now, if you're ordering a wig from me, you can request for any closure wig lace to be pre-cut. But if it's a frontal wig, I cannot pre-cut it because I do not know, your ear measurements and how to cut it around your ear. So I do not cut frontal wigs. I do pre-cut the lace on the closure wig. So let's just see what this baby looking like first. Okay. Oh, and this is literally fresh. This would be as if you're getting it fresh out the pack or out the box, because I ship my wigs in boxes. All right, so it looks good, very secure. This is what we want. Now we got to get rid of the lace because this right here, this is not going to work, okay? So just a little trick before I cut the lace, I want to show you. If you ever have an issue with your lace not blending, if your lace looks a little bit too light or white looking, then it is a very quick fix. So I'm going to show you right now. All you do is, if you have lace tint, you can't use lace tint. Most times I just use my simple powder makeup, and I may spray just a little bit of Got to Be Free spray on the inside of the closure, and voila, problem solved. But I'm going to show you just really quick how you can apply it. I just have a little flat brush. My makeup, I'm running out, but we're just going to tap a little makeup. And look at the lace. You see how light it is? I'm just going to tap. Remember, I'm going to go in and cut it, but I'm going to put my makeup right in the middle. And look at that disappear. Look at that. Look at that lace. Do it on this side. It is blending right in with my color. So this is no makeup. This is when I just tap my makeup on it. And this is with transparent lace. Adding my makeup, make a huge difference. Look at that. That's literally all you have to do. Now, makeup is not a permanent fix, but it do work. You don't have to do it every day. You can spray the free spray on the inside like I'll do in just a second, and that'll hold it a little bit longer. And yeah, just every time you wash it, you may have to reapply your makeup or whatever. But if you do have lace tint, you can go with lace tint. Sometimes I do the lace tint, but since it's already styled, if I spray the lace tint, then it's going to wet the roots of the hair, and I already have it styled, so we don't want to do that. We're just gonna go this dry route, and it works. Okay, so the wig is fitting nicely. You want to put the makeup there and down the part. You don't need your part to be light. Now, let's cut this lace really quick. Okay. Now, I do have a detailed video on how I cut the lace. Excuse my son in the back, y'all. He's having a good time. So I do have a detailed video on how I cut the lace, but I'm just gonna cut it really, really quickly. Here, I don't even think that you guys can see it, but you always want to make sure, I'm using a eyebrow razor. You want to make sure that you cut your lace going in a zigzag motion. Now, I've been cutting my lace for a long time, so I already know, you know, to move the hair out the way. And we're going to cut this lace right off. And I'm going kind of zigzag, but using a razor over the scissors definitely gives a nice jagged look. So, see? Just that fast, and you see that jagged edge? That's what my lace looked like. So I have one side cut already. Okay, we're going to do the other side. We're just going to zig it, cut. And you do want to use, make sure your razor or eyebrow razor, whatever you use, make sure it's nice and sharp. Because if it's not, you're not going to get the best effect. And you see how fast, it don't go as fast as me if you haven't cut your lace before. Okay. See how fast I was able to do that. Now, this is what I'm talking about on the inside. We need to put that makeup in the inside so that it will blend flawlessly. So I'm just going to dab some makeup. Turn it inside. And we're going to put it on the lace. Now, I don't focus on wasting my makeup and putting it like all along the back. I will put it down the part, which is what matters, and across the front hair, you know, the front where the hairline is. That's my main focus. I already don't have that much makeup as it is, so I need to get some more, but, and we're gonna go. So I just put it mainly on the front, you see that? And now down the part. So I'm gonna lay it in my lap really quick and put it down the part. Now I'm gonna clean up my part. I'll show you that in just a second too. So makeup in here. Now I will take my free spray and spray the inside. Just a little, not too much. You don't want it to come hard, be hard and crunchy, but spray it, and then that's really it. Now we're gonna put our wig back on. So we have to get it to blend. Make sure you have it centered so that the lace is exposed, and then we have it on. Look at there, it already looks super good. Now, what we want to do is we want to go down the part and clean that part up just a little bit, because our part is still a little light even though we put it on the inside. So what I'm going to do is take my makeup again, the powdered makeup. I'm just using some Walmart Fit Me brand makeup, and we're going to go down the part. You don't have to dab it, you can just drag it along the part. Okay, just like so. All right, so see, now our part is nice and clean. So now I'm just adjusting it, bringing my ears out, making sure it's in my comb. Okay, so now it is on. Only thing left to do is maybe touch up the baby hairs just a little bit. So with that, I already have baby hairs molded. You can get your wig from me and you can request baby hairs. Pull any of them from underneath. Now, when it goes through shipping, your baby hairs may not be exactly in place as needed. If they aren't, then here's what you can do. You know what? I think I didn't want baby hair right there. I did it because I was doing a different video, but I just mainly wanted, some people don't like dramatic baby hair, so I just put it right there, okay? And it's not straight. All right, let's straighten this baby up. All right, so it's on, it's flat. I'm just using a rat tail comb and combing these baby hairs. The baby hairs do help the lace like blend a little bit. Now, say if your baby hairs are not going in place how you want them to go. All you have to do is take a little, I think I have one here, a little edge brush. Sorry. An edge brush, a toothbrush, or anything like that. And what I like to do is take just a little Nairobi foam. This will also help hold your lace in place. So take a little bit of Nairobi foam, not much, just a little. I just took some off and put it on my hand with your brush. And brush it in place like so. And you don't need a lot because you don't want to drench it. And that's it. So your foam will help it lay in place. And then once it dry up some, then you can just like comb that out, okay? So that's really it. This is how fast it should be when you're getting ready in the morning. Whether you're going to work, whether you're going to brunch, on a date, it should not take you long. When I know that I'm getting ready to go somewhere, my wig is already styled, already ready, and literally, I just need to put it on to go, okay? Now, if you're interested in this exact wig, this is actually a curly wig. You would not believe me if I showed you. I'm going to see if I have a picture I may insert it, but this is actually a curly wig, and I did these body curls in it. Now, mind you, this is raw hair, and this is colored jet black. So, if you're definitely interested in something like this, then just let me know, or you can check the website because I may go ahead and add this to the website. But you get 2001 with this. But yeah, so this is how easy it is to do your wig. And you know, sometimes it may come you know, just a tad bit out of place. If it is when you get it, because it's going through shipping, it ain't gonna be exact, then you can easily curl it back yourself. Take a big barrel curl. If you like these curls, take a big barrel curl and curl it back. I'm actually gonna curl this part right here really quick. I might do a curl video on here. Show you how I got these nice big curls, but I love body curls. And the thing about raw hair is it holds a curl like no other, okay? I will not have to curl this hair. Look at that. I will not have to curl this hair for the next, I don't know, week or two. Because for one, this is completely glueless and I will take this wig back off. But if you enjoyed this video showing you exactly how you can style your wig, then please give it a thumbs up. I hope some of these tips and tricks that I shared help you when it comes to you installing your own wig. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Be broke.
Bye.